What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another edition of the Pack Racker. I am your host, as always, DPC. And we're going to go ahead and open up some fresh Pokemon cards. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we're going to grab. Let's check it out. Man, I think we were going to hit this one right here. Been sitting on it for a minute. Looks like we got our choice, and that big reveal. Looks like we're going to open up this massive box of Prismatic Evolutions. This is the Lucario EX and Tyranitar EX Premium Collection. So this has 14 packs of Prismatic Evolution in here. These are the rest of my Prismatic Evolution that I got. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And it's so massive it can't even fit on the phone screen. So we're going to go ahead and just crack it open and pile everything up. Let's do it. All right, so there we got it. We got the LUCARIO promos. So we got our Scarlet and Violet on there. We have the Prismatic Evolution stamp on both of those Lucarios. We also got the Tyranitar Scarlet and Violet stamp. And then we got the Prismatic Evolutions stamp on that one. So some pretty cool promos right there. They look really good. And then obviously we have our jumbo card right here, the Lucario EX with the Prismatic Evolution stamp on it. So that's a really cool looking card. Down to 14 packs. Probably going to go round one. We're probably going to hit the packs on the right first. Save the second video for the packs on the left. So 7 packs. Let's do this. Larvitar, and we got the Pokeball right there on the bottom, so that's cool. Nice hit. Slowpoke, and we got Roaring Moon. Executor, Noctowl, and we got the double rare of Amaris. Hippopotas on the Pokeball. We got Voodoo, and then we got a Sylveon. All right, we got a Pokeball on the Cypher Maniac's Code Breaking. Got a Goldeen. And we got a Leafeon. Got a Sylveon on the Pokeball. It's nice. A Lopunny. And we got a Pheasantipity. Noctowl. Pyroar. And we got a Snorlax EX. Sparkling Crystal. It looks like an illustration rare, I think. I'm not sure. That pink star. We got Dracloak. And we got a Monkey Dory. Last pack. This one has got to hit hard or else we are cooked. Execute on the Pokeball pattern. Got a Cypher Maniac's code breaking, and for the last card, Espeon. Fried, guys. Oh, and we got a foil on cue. Well, sometimes you just don't know what to say, so definitely took it on the chin there. You know, obviously you can see what the ROI is. Really wasn't anything too earth-shattering that came out of that. I just went all 14 packs, kind of fast forwarded through the ones that didn't hit. So got a little miniature hits on those Pokeball patterns and a couple of those EX cards, but that was brutal. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. We'll keep doing it. See ya.